guys, it's me Eshita and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this double cut crease eye look using golden eyeshadow. This look is absolutely flattering in any Indian or Asian brides or any kind of traditional Indian party makeup look. So if you wanna know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. As always, I'm starting off with my eyebrows, and for that I'm using Etude House eyebrow drawing pencil in the shade dark brown. To clean up underneath my brows and to prep my lid, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade medium. Using Fit Me Compact Powder, I will set the concealer. It's in the shade Sun Beige. With this black eyeshadow, first I will draw a rough line of my crease. I'm using this shade above my crease line, and this will be my transition shade. Next, with this dark brown shade, I will darken my crease. With this chocolate brown shade, I will darken it further. For more defined crease line, again I am using this black shade and I will blend it with the previous colors. Now it's time to cut the crease. First I will mark a line where I want my crease to be. Then with Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, I will clean up my lid space. Now I will paint my lid with the concealer. I'm using this loose gold pigment to all over my lid, and it's from the brand Swiss Beauty. Now it's time to cut the double crease. With the same liner brush and the black shadow, first I will mark the second crease line, but only to the outer third of my lid. With pack gel liner, I will cover up the outer space of the lid and I will top it up with the black shadow. I am using this Swiss Beauty glitter liner to the negative space and to the crease line. With K Beauty Kajal pencil, I will draw my waterline and do a tight line also. By the way, for your convenience, I have listed all of the products in the description bar, so if you want, you can check them out. With this brown shade, I will smoke out my lower lash line. For more defined look, I am using the black shade. To highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I am using this highlighting shade from the Swiss Beauty Terracotta Highlighter Palette. Before applying falsies, I will curl my lash and apply a coat of mascara. I am using Maybelline Lash Sensational. So that is it. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment section which kind of video you want to see in the future, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be safe, and bye bye.